Isaac prayed to the Lord for his wife Rebekah, because she was barren, and the Lord answered his prayer, and Rebekah became pregnant. The children struggled within her, and she said, "Why is this happening to me?"
The Lord said to her, "Two nations are in your womb, and two peoples from within you will be separated. One will be stronger than the other, and the older will serve the younger."
Mouth was red and covered with hair, and they named him Esau. After this, and him his brother came out, with his hand grasping Esau's heel. Esau became a skillful hunter, a man of the open hunter, while Jacob was content to stay among the tents. Isaac loved Esau because he enjoyed wild game, but Rebekah loved Jacob. And one day Esau came in from exhausted. He said to Jacob, "Give me some of that stew." And Jacob said, "First sell me your birthright." Esau said, "I am about to die. What good is a birthright to me?" So Esau despised his birthright. One day, when Isaac was old and his eyes were too weak to see, he called for Esau and said he would bless him before he died. So Isaac told Esau to take his hunting tools, go out into the field, and hunt wild game for him. He asked Esau to prepare the kind of tasty food he loved and bring it to him, so that he could bless him before he died. Rebekah overheard Isaac speaking to Esau. She called Jacob and told him to bring 2 young goats. Deceives Isaac. The voice is Jacob's, but the hands are Esau's. When Esau learned what had happened, he cried out with a loud and bitter cry and said, "Bless me too, my father." So Esau held a grudge against Jacob and said in his heart, "After my father dies, I will kill my brother Jacob." Rebekah learned of Esau's plan. Fearing for Jacob's life, she called him and told him that he must leave now. She sent Jacob away to her brother Laban in Haran, hoping Esau's anger would cool. After Jacob left his father's house, he traveled toward Haran to the home of his uncle Laban, as his mother Rebekah had said. Jacob lived for many years. He worked hard and endured hardship, yet the Lord was with him. Jacob married Leah and Rachel, and his family increased greatly. Through patience and endurance, God began to shape his life. Over time, God blessed Jacob abundantly. His flocks multiplied, and he became a man of great wealth. After many years, the Lord spoke to Jacob and told him to return to the land of his fathers. Though God had blessed him, Jacob feared returning home. Knowing his brother Esau still remembered the stolen blessing, Jacob sent messengers ahead to Esau with gifts, hoping to find favor and make peace. That night, Jacob was left alone. There, he wrestled with God, and his life was forever changed. God gave him a new name, Israel, for he had struggled with God and prevailed. Though his body was wounded, his heart was changed. He prepared himself to face what he once feared. Jacob arranged his family carefully, yet he did not hide behind them. He moved ahead of them all, choosing to face his brother first. With humility, Jacob bowed as he walked forward, no longer relying on deception, but on the God who had changed him. When the brothers finally met, Esau ran to Jacob, embraced him, and they wept together. What began with deception ended in reconciliation, and God's promise stood firm.